Did you hear that?
It sounds like a dog in problems. Oh my God, we need to do something. I need a rescue for a dog that's being constricted by a python.
I'll be there. All right, coordinates locked. We need a ground team ready to move now. Hurry up, guys. We need to save the dog. Where is the dog?
He is over there. Come fast, please.
Let's see what we can do with this. I get it. All right, easy does it. Got the tail end, moving him in.
Happened? What's the... Is the dog okay? You are okay now, buddy. Boy, you're doing so well. Almost done, big guy. Oh, you're such a good boy. Yes, you are. News, he is in perfect conditions. Auch mein Schwein den Drin.